Hey everyone, Todd here from New Dialogue, keen to show you what's new with the platform. Our team have been busy and have recently deployed an update to our new agentic framework inside the product. I'm just going to give you a quick demo of what it's all about. So you can see here on screen, we've got some existing agents set up. If we look at this one, you can see it's a basic description. Crawl the web as a green energy analyst, and cover breakthroughs in PV solar technology. So if we have a look for a moment at what this agent looks like, you can see we give it a name and then simply a prompt, and services allow us to do some extra things like connect to existing silos of content and data inside our enterprise. I can also connect to an existing application externally to my organization. I can also put in things like a welcome message and also apply some security to agents. So I might want to determine which users in New Dialogue can have the ability to access and run these agents as well. So in this case, we have a name and then a very simple prompt. So let's go back, and all we're going to do is just execute this and run it. And you'll see as soon as we do that, our agents will stand up and start accessing the web, crawling it, looking for breakthroughs in PV solar technology in this case. So after a moment or so, it will finish crawling, and then we'll see an output generated. Okay, so once that's done, there we go. So let's scroll to the top. So the agent's run and it's analysed content from these resources it's identified. It's provided a list of scientific breakthroughs, innovations in design, some materials engineering overview, and then changes in the manufacturing supply chains. So some good, solids, generally well detailed information on breakthroughs in solar PV. But what I want to do is go and create a new agent. So I'm going to do that by clicking on add and then start with a prompt. Alternatively, I can create agents using sub-agents. I won't cover that today, but let's just start with a prompt, and let's put in my prompt, which is quite a large one. And this asks for an up-to-date comparison of how many Australians have adopted rooftop solar between 2024 and 2025. So we'll say rooftop solar adoption 2024-2025. So that's the name of the agent, and we can see here what we're asking it to do. You're an expert Australian renewable energy analyst, and then we give it a whole range of things that we want to know. But finally, we're instructing New Dialogue to generate a Word document using the New Dialogue template and share the result in the general channel and Teams. So there's some, if you're familiar with an MCP operation, this is exactly what we're doing here. So if I look at Teams here, currently I've got no new notifications under general channel and Teams, but let's go and affect that. So once we've given a name and we've entered the prompt, we're just going to click test, and this will test the new prompt and show an output, and then we can save that and then run it in our production setting. So we'll just get this tested, and then once it's passed the test, we can then save it. So once the analysis is done, we'll see the documents created, and then the team messaging to Microsoft Teams is also successful. And in a moment, we'll see the agent end its testing process, and we'll be able to save it. There we go. So let's save that. And now in our agent dashboard, we now have a new agent here called Rooftop Solar Adoption. So let's choose to execute that. You can see there's our large prompt, just all aggregated as one text string, and you can see there's been no execution. So let's click on execute and let's run our agent for the first time. Here we can see it's now again crawling the web, and once the agent is done, everything's completed, and there we go. We've had agents are done. Now if we switch to Teams here, you can see on screen, I've got a new notification under General, and then we can see, hey team, the latest Australian rooftop adoption analysis. Click the Word doc to review, but it's also given us some key highlights. So we'll just click here and it'll create this new Word document for us using the new dialogue template. So it just opens Word and posts in its output, and you can share that with your colleagues. But that's a quick overview of agents in New Dialogue. Feel free to go to newdialogue.com, start a free 7-day trial and start building agents yourself. Thank you.